Hello everyone, let us move to the next question. The problem is here like this: a domestic lighting system is having 10 lamp of 40 watt each and is operated as follows. Okay, and the question is like this: two lamps, okay, will be burning between the time period 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. okay, and 5 lamps will be using at between the time period 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. and next two lamps will be utilized using between 10 p.m. to 11 p.m. and one lamp is used between 11 p.m. to 12 p.m. okay. Here we have to determine connected load, what is maximum demand, what is demand factor, what is daily load factor. We have to determine this one by making use of these data. Okay, before proceeding with the problems here, first we have to determine what is the total connected load we have. What is the total connected load? Okay, connected load is given as how many lamps we are basically making use 10 lamps of 40 watt each. Therefore 10 into 40 will give you 400 watt. This is 400 watt. This is the total connected load. Okay, now let us move to the second one, that is maximum demand. Okay, maximum demand is determined by considering these factors. Okay, if you look at this one, 2 lamps are utilized for 2 hours here and 5 lamps are utilized for 2 hours and 2 lamps are utilized for 1 hour and 1 lamp is utilized for 1 hour. Among these 4, okay, here we are making use for 2 hours, here also making use for 2 hours. Okay, but the thing is here we are making use of only 2 lamp here, whereas here we are making use of 5 lamp. So this is the maximum load that we have to take the consideration. Therefore maximum load is maximum demand is given as 5, that is 5 lamp, okay, into 40 means each lamp is of 40 watt. Therefore 5 into 40 will give you 200 watt, will give you 200 watt. Okay, will give you 200 watt. Okay, 200 watt, that will be the maximum demand. Okay, now let us move to the next one, demand factor. Okay, demand factor is given as maximum divided by connected load. We already know what is maximum demand, what is connected load. Substitute this one. Okay, the demand factor what we get is 0.5. okay, keep this in mind, always keep this in terms of percentage only. Okay, always keep these parameters in terms of percentage only. This if you convert into percentage, that will become 50%. Okay, and the next one is daily load factor. Okay, daily load factor, in order to determine the daily load factor, we want what is the average load, what is maximum demand. We know what is maximum demand, let us find out what is average load. Average load is find out using the formula. We'll make use of these considerations here in order to find the average load. Okay, here what we do is initially 2 lamps are used of 40 watt, used of 40 watt for 2 hours. Okay, 2 lamps for 2 hours and each lamp is of 40 watt. That will be done here. 2 lamp, okay, of 40 watt for 2 hours plus 5 lamp, each is of 40 watt and it is also for 2 hours, plus 2 lamp of 40 watt, okay, for 1 hour into 1, plus 1 lamp which is of 40 watt and which will be utilized for 1 hour. Okay, and divided by 24 total hours. Okay, if you do this one, okay, we'll get the average load. Okay, the average load what we're getting here is 28.33 watt. Okay, once we got average load, substitute in the formula of daily load factor. Daily load factor is given as average load divided by maximum demand. Okay, we know what is average load, what is maximum demand here. Okay, if you substitute, it will become 0.1416. If you convert it to percentage, it will become 14.16%. Is that clear?